Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I saw this on Facebook yesterday and had the gentleman send me the file. It's not really any different than he wants to put a cut line around this symbol. And if you look, if we click on it, it's a curve, just one curve. And if you select it all, the Weld Tool doesn't, well, actually it was grouped together, so let me group it together. So you select it all and the Weld Tool doesn't come up because it's already a group. So go to group and ungroup, and then the Weld Tool comes up. Let's see how big this thing is. It's less than 8 inches, so let's set our nudge factor on 9. Let's select it all, hit the boundary tool, and there's your boundary. Go up to effects and contour the outside, half of an inch or whatever you want. Let's go 0.25 of an inch. Go up to object, break contour apart, and then you can grab the inside one and delete it. Nudge this one right back over. And if you're going to cut it, I don't know if it's a laser or what, there's your red hairline. And you can make it any number of dimensions. One thing you could think about, there's your line. We could use rounded corners, and then you get a little bit of a round corner in those spikes. Let's just take that, and everything else is good. It's just going to round the corners off a little bit. Let's back up here and do square corners, and then you get sharp, exact corners. But a lot of times, depending, if this is a sticker, I would think you'd actually want rounded corners. And then go up to object, break the contour apart, and you can grab the outside one and nudge it over, and then take the inside and just delete it. I would, if there's laser, I would actually make this red so you'll know it's a cut line. And there you have it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.